Hi, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett. Welcome back to part 2 of the vacuuming series. Today I'm going to show you how to vacuum your floor properly. You're going to learn about proper techniques so that you can get the most out of your vacuuming session. You have met your vacuum and you know what everything does. If not, make sure you watch part 1 of this vacuuming series. Ready to begin? Let's start with vacuuming carpet. In order to vacuum floors, the vacuum head must make contact with the floor at all times. So if you have an upright machine like this, you need to move the rest of the unit about 45 degrees towards you so that you can push it. There may be a release pedal that allows you to do this. On mine, you are gently going to hold down the vacuum head with your foot and then gently pull the upright part towards you. A lot of machines will have a carpet setting, and it's often on or near the on-off switch. This setting adjusts the height of the vacuum head so that the rotating brush can easily lift up dirt and debris in the carpet. Always start vacuuming at the back of the room and work your way out. This is so that you don't step on the part that you just cleaned. You also want to make sure that your cord is always behind you. You do not want to run that over. You will start by pulling the vacuum towards you and then push the vacuum forward slightly on the diagonal. You are going to be making a W pattern, and you will repeat this pattern until you have vacuumed your section. Then you are going to turn 90 degrees and repeat the pattern over the same area for the best results. The vacuum head is too big and it can't get into corners or other small areas, and that is where the attachment tools come in handy. They all attach to the end of your hose or extension wand. The Crevice Tool is great for baseboards, ceilings, or pictures. This is the Stair Tool and it allows you to vacuum stairs. It's like a mini vacuum head and it's got a rotating brush so you can vacuum the stairs really well and easily. Need to vacuum a chair, sofa, or other soft material? Use the Upholstery Tool. It's so convenient. These are common tools that often come with your vacuum, but there are lots of other types which you can purchase separately. One last thing, when vacuuming wood or tile floors, make sure you use the floor setting if you have it. It lowers the brush closer to the ground and you don't need the extra suction like you do with carpet. Other than that, the technique is the same. Start at the back of the room and work your way out. Pull the vacuum back towards you and then push forward at a slight angle, making a W pattern. Turn 90 degrees and repeat the process. See, vacuuming is easy, and now that you know how to do it, it's also kind of fun. Make sure that you check out part 3, how to clean out the canister and how to know when the bag needs to be changed, and more maintenance tips so that your vacuum will last you a long time. In case you missed it, watch part 1, the anatomy of the vacuum. You'll learn about the parts and what each one does. You got to know what you're dealing with before you can start vacuuming, right? Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the likes and all the subscribers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Mominar.